All right, let's talk about content marketing. But forget everything you think you know about chasing likes and going viral. Today, we are getting straight to the point. This is a no-fluff guide for small businesses that want to turn content into an actual, real-deal revenue engine. Let's get into it.
So, how big of a deal is content marketing for small businesses? Well, get this. They're putting nearly a third of their entire marketing budget into it. That is a huge chunk of change, and it shows you just how much they're betting on content to fuel their growth.
But here's the big question. With all that money being spent, how much of it is just gone, wasted? The truth is, a lot of beginners make the same crucial mistakes over and over. They create stuff nobody wants, they don't promote it right, and they have no idea if it's even working. Our goal here is to make sure you skip all those pitfalls and get a real return on your effort.
Okay, first things first. We've got to talk about the biggest trap in content marketing. It's time to escape the hamster wheel of chasing vanity metrics, likes, shares, all that stuff, and start focusing on the numbers that actually grow your business. We're talking leads and sales. And this right here is exactly what I'm talking about. On the left, you've got the stuff that feels good but doesn't pay the bills. On the right, those are the metrics that matter. I mean, think about it. A post with only 100 views that gets you 5 amazing leads is a million times better than a viral hit with 10,000 views that gets you nothing. Absolutely nothing. This quote right here, it nails it. It's the new mindset. Every single blog post, video, or graphic you create needs to have a job to do. Is it supposed to make people aware you exist? Is it meant to capture a lead? Or is its job to help close a sale? It's not just about making pretty things. It's about strategy.
Okay, so mindset? Check. Now for the fun part, the actual playbook. In this section, we're going to get super practical. I'm going to show you exactly where to find killer content ideas and how to use some proven templates to create stuff that actually gets people to take action.
Seriously, stop guessing what your audience wants to hear. The best ideas are already out there, just waiting for you. Your customers are literally telling you what they need. Tools like Answer the Public show you the exact phrases people are typing into Google. And places like Reddit and Quora, they are absolute gold mines of real problems from real people.
And the best part? Once you have those amazing ideas, you do not have to stare at a blank page. Here are 3 super powerful, beginner-friendly templates that you can use right away to create top-notch content fast.
First up is the ultimate guide. Think of this as your magnum opus on a key topic in your field. Yeah, it's a bit of work, but a really well-done guide can make you the go-to expert and pull in a ton of search traffic for years to come.
Next, we've got the how-to guide. This one is pure gold because you're providing instant value. You're literally walking someone through solving a problem, step by step. By the time they're done reading, they already trust you, which makes it the perfect moment to mention how your product can help.
And finally, the humble listicle. Hey, don't sleep on this one. There's a reason they're everywhere. Our brains love numbered lists. They're easy to scan, easy to digest, and super shareable. They're perfect for grabbing attention on social media and getting those clicks.
Okay, ideas? Check. Templates? Check. But what about the one thing none of us have enough of? Time. That's probably the single biggest hurdle for small businesses. So in this section, we're going to build you a content machine that practically runs itself, so you can create amazing content without burning out.
Let's bust a myth right now. You do not need a ton of expensive, complicated software. This right here is what I call the minimum viable content stack. It's simple, most of it is free, and it's all you need to get going. Google Docs for writing, Canva for awesome visuals, and a free scheduler to put it all on autopilot. Done. This setup will handle 90% of what you need.
And here is the productivity hack that will absolutely change your life. Content batching. Instead of scrambling for an idea every single day, you plan your topics out ahead of time. Then you set aside one block of focused time to create everything for the week or even the month. Then you schedule it all to go live automatically. It's a game changer for saving time and stress.
So, you've got this amazing content. You've got a system to create it efficiently, but how do you get eyeballs on it? You've built it, but will they come? In this section, we're going to talk about how to amplify your reach and get discovered, all without spending a penny on ads.
When you're promoting your stuff on communities like Reddit or Quora, there is one golden rule you have to live by, the 90-10 rule. It's simple. You spend 90% of your time just being helpful and adding real value to conversations. Only 10% of the time do you even mention your own stuff. This is how you build trust and avoid looking like a spammer.
All right, here are a couple more pro tips for you, totally free. First, internal linking. Go back into your most popular old blog posts and find relevant places to link to your new content. It's a super simple SEO boost. Second, LinkedIn comment stacking. Find the big players in your industry and leave smart, value-packed comments on their posts. It's a fantastic way to get your name in front of the right people. Now we're getting into the work smarter, not harder territory. This is a big one. When you spend hours creating one awesome piece of content, please do not just post it once and forget about it. That's such a waste. The key is to repurpose that one big idea into lots of different formats for different channels. And here's the exact blueprint. You start with one big, high-value pillar piece, like that ultimate guide we talked about. Then you slice and dice it. Pull out key quotes for graphics. Turn a section into a short video or thread. Then you use all those little pieces to drive people back to the main article. One effort, tons of content. It's brilliant.
So, if you've been zoning out, this is the part to tune back in for. It all boils down to this. 1. Stop chasing likes and focus on creating real, genuine value. 2. Build a system, like content batching, so you can be consistent without going crazy. And 3. Actually track the results that matter, leads and sales. You do those 3 things and you're going to win.
So, I'll leave you with a challenge. Thinking about everything we just covered, what is that one epic pillar piece you could create right now? That one ultimate guide or how-to post that would be a complete game changer for your perfect customer. Figure that out, and you'll know exactly where to start.